In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Shopify 3-day free trial plus 3 months for $1 each. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, so even if you've never used Shopify before, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, open your browser and go to Shopify's official website. On the homepage, look for their free trial offer. In many regions, you'll see something like try 3 days free, then pay $1 a month for 3 months. That's the exact promotion we're taking advantage of. Once you're on that landing page, click the button that says Start Free Trial or Start for Free. Both options lead you to the same sign-up flow. Next, it's time to create your Shopify account and start your free trial. Shopify lets you sign up using your email, or you can connect a Google, Apple, or Facebook account. If you choose to sign up with email, you'll be asked to create a password. Make sure this is a strong password that you can remember, ideally something unique that you don't reuse on other sites. When you're done, click the button to create your Shopify account. At this point, your 3-day free trial begins. You now technically have access to Shopify and can start exploring your store's dashboard. Very soon after, a new page will appear asking you to enter your payment details so that your $1 per month for 3 months subscription can kick in once the free trial ends. If you're not ready to commit to a plan just yet, you can skip this step initially and choose a plan later. It's important to note that you do not need a credit card just to start the free trial itself. Payment details are only required when you're ready to move into the paid period. Before or when your 3-day free trial ends, Shopify will prompt you to select a paid plan. This is where you lock in the $1 per month for 3 months deal. On the Choose a Plan screen, you'll see different options such as Basic, Shopify, or Advanced. Pick the one that best matches your needs. You should see a promotional price, usually shown as $1 per month for the first 3 months instead of the standard rate. Enter your payment details, either a credit card or PayPal, then confirm and continue. You'll be charged $1 monthly for the next 3 months, and after that, Shopify will automatically switch to the regular monthly price unless you cancel beforehand.